Samsung's got big plans for its foldable lineup this year. At least 4 new foldable phones are rumored to drop. Some of them might even feature Qualcomm's freshly revealed Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, but there's a twist. Qualcomm quietly launched a stripped-down version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and it's already generating buzz. So, what's the deal with this 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite? It's basically the same as the regular version, but with one less CPU core. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to rock this new variant. The change might help address those pesky overheating concerns that have popped up with the new architecture and Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU. Tech guru Michel Rahman pointed out that dropping one core could help with heat management. The 7-core chip still uses TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, so it's just as advanced as its beefwire sibling. Performance-wise, you might notice a tiny dip, about 2% lower on Antutu and 7% less in Geekbench's multi-core scores. But hey, if it means cooler temps, that trade-off might be worth it. Now the Galaxy S25 series, which is launching next week, will flex the full-power Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, clocked at an insane 4.47 GHz compared to the standard 4.32. On the flip side, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might run on Exynos 2500, while the more budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition could use the Exynos 2400. As for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its rumored Z Fold Special Edition 2, they're likely going with the cooler 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite variant. And honestly, thank goodness, no Exynos chips here. We'll have to wait to learn more about these devices, but it's exciting to see what Samsung's cooking up. So, what do you think about the Snapdragon 8 Elite and its debut in the Galaxy Fold 7? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.